Sanmonani guys, welcome to isiZulu Conversational presentation by yours truly, Miss Ndo. So today guys, I want us to look at the words or vocabulary that you can use when going to the bank and speaking isiZulu. First of all, a bank in Zulu is ibhange. Ibhange. An account is i-akhawunti. I-akhawunti. Then we have imali, which is money, i-deposit, which is deposit, ukukhipha imali, which is to withdraw money, ikhadi le-ATM, which is your ATM card, or you can say ikhadi lebhange, which is your bank card. And you know your bank card comes with a pin, which sometimes we call it inombolo yemfihlo, or in short, you can call it pin. Okay, moving along, isitatimende, that is your bank statement. Ukubhalisa i-account is to open an account. Ukukhokha means to pay. Inombolo ye-ID, that's your ID number. Umphathi means manager, and then ulayini, that is a queue, as you all know. Oh, not now, but back in the days, we used to have a lot of queues in the banks, but now we usually find queues my ATMs. Okay, let's have a look at a simple dialogue between umsebenzi wasebhange noNomusa. uNomusa is starting. Sawubona sisi, ngifuna ukuvula i-account entsha. Or you can say ngicela ukuvula i-account entsha, which is more polite than ngifuna. Umsizi wasebhange, sawubona, unayo yini i-ID nephepha lobufakazi bekheli? Guys, iphepha lobufakazi bekheli, it's your proof of address, okay? Yebo, nginakho konke. Kulungile, ngicela ugcwalise leli form. Ngiyabonga, ngizogcwalisa manje. Okay, so let's say, don't always, you happen to wake up and there's some money missing in your bank account, and now you want to know what really happened. Where did my money go? Why did this happen? When? How? So let's start by looking at a vocabulary that you can use when you go and inquire about your missing money from your account. As we have said before, an account is i-akhawunti, and then ukudonsa imali, it's withdraw money or keep imali. You can say to withdraw money. Ubugebengu, that is fraud. Ukungena akuvumelekile. Ungena ungavumelekile, that is unauthorized access. Isikhalazo, complaint. Imvume, permission. Inombolo ye-account, that is account number. Ukuphenywa, to be investigated. Ukuphenya, it's investigation. Ukubuyiselwa kwemali, that's refund. Ikhasimende, client or customer. Isisebenzi sasebhange, that will be your bank employee. Could it be cashier, supervisor, or a bank manager? So let's look at a short dialogue between uNomusa, who is a client that is missing money, and one of the bank employees. Sawubona sis, nginenkinga enkulu. Sawubona, kwenzekeni sis? The word sisi means sister. However, in isiZulu, we use the word sisi mostly if you are talking to a female, just to show sign of respect. Okay. Imali yami idonswe ebhange ngaphandle kwemvume yami. Angazi ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Ngabe unayo inombolo ye-akhawunti yakho? Yebo. Inombolo ye-akhawunti yami ngu-123456789. Kulungile, ngizobheka imininingwane. Kuyiqiniso, udalwe ukudonswa kwemali nge-ATM eDobsonville izolo ngo-6 ntambama. Kodwa bengingekho eDobsonville. Lokhu kumele kube ubugebengu. Siyaxolisa kakhulu. Sizovula uphenyo futhi sizobheka ukuthi imali yakho ingabuyiselwa yini. Ngiyacela nisheshe ngalesi simo. Le yimali yami yokukhokha izikweletu. Ngiyakuqonda sisi. Sizokuthinta phakathi kwezinsuku ezintathu. Nansi inombolo yakho yesikhalazo, 45789. But this is just an example. Ngiyabonga. Ngiyathemba nizoyilungisa. So that is how you can converse, but this is just an example. You can change it up as you want and use the vocab that I had given you, or depending what the fraudulent was about or what the complaint was about. But these are just the words and the vocabulary to guide you as what you can say when going to a bank and you have a problem. Okay. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys, nisale kahle. I will see you on our next lesson. Bye.